11th Science Chapter 2 Atomic Structure Part 11 Numericals Type 3.
Hello students, I am Madhusina, your chemistry teacher. Watch my YouTube videos, like and subscribe it for further notifications. In this video, we will discuss few more numericals based on dual property of matter and Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Let's see the first numerical. Calculate de Broglie wavelength of an electron moving with 1% the speed of light. 1% the speed of light. Let us put down given. We have to calculate de Broglie wavelength. So lambda we have to calculate, right? Electron is moving with 1% speed of light. What is the speed of light? 3.0 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So 1% of this speed of light. So velocity is equal to 1% means 1 upon 100 into 3.0 into 10 to the power 8. When you solve this, you will be getting 3.0 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter per second is the velocity. According to de Broglie's equation, lambda is equal to h upon mv, mass of the electron into its velocity. Therefore, lambda is equal to h is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second upon. What is the mass of electron? 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg into velocity. 1% velocity we have calculated. 3.0 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter per second. So when you solve this, you are going to get your answer as 2.43 into 10 to the power minus 10 meters. Next question says, calculate the kinetic energy of moving electron which has a wavelength of 4.8 picometers. So lambda is given 4.8 picometers. Let us convert it into meters. 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 12 meters. We have converted it into meters. According to de Broglie's equation, lambda is equal to h upon mv. We want to calculate velocity. So therefore, v is equal to h upon m into lambda. So put down the value 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second is Planck's constant. M is the mass of the electron and that is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg into lambda. That is why these are in kg, joule per second. So we converted it into meters. 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 12 meters. So when you solve this, you are going to get your velocity as 1.516 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now using this velocity, we have to calculate kinetic energy. You know that kinetic energy is equal to half mv square, where m is the mass of the electron, 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. V is the velocity, 1.516 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second and whole square. So when you solve this, you are going to get your kinetic energy as 1.05 into 10 to the power minus 14. We can put down the units kg, meter minus 2, second minus 2 or 1.05 into 10 to the power minus 14 joule. Next question says an electron has a speed of 500 meter per second with uncertainty of 0.02%. What is the uncertainty in locating its position? So according to the question, the velocity is 500 meter per second. And what is the uncertainty in the velocity? It is 0.02%. So we can write delta V, which is uncertainty in velocity, is equal to 0.02% of the given velocity. So 0.02 upon 100 into 500. When you solve this, you are going to get this as 0.1 meter per second. Now, what is the uncertainty in its position? So, delta x you need to find out. According to Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, we have this expression delta x into delta p, which is what? M delta V greater than equal to h upon 4 pi. This is Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. We need to calculate this delta x. Therefore, delta x is equal to, right? When we are solving this, we can ignore greater than sign, or you can put, doesn't make any difference. Greater than equal to h upon 4 pi into m delta V. Put the values. Therefore, delta x greater than equal to h is Planck's constant. 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 upon 4. 3.14 is the value of pi. Mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 into your delta V is 0.1. So when you solve this, you are going to get delta x greater than equal to 5.77 into 10 to the power minus 4 meters. So we can say that the uncertainty in position of the electron, which is moving with an uncertainty in velocity of 0.02%, is 5.77 into 10 to the power minus 4 meters.